What do you say, Moose? Good boy. Clump of fur. For the birds. There it goes. What do you think, Raven? Come on. Want to hop on the wood box? You hopping on the box? Who's hopping? No? Thinking about it? Raven's thinking about it. Good girl. You're a pretty girl. You're shedding like crazy, though. Look at all that fur. Chunks. No, you're not eating that. Nope, I got it. It's for me. I took it. Yeah, they did so many zoomies yesterday. They haven't woken up fully yet. It's a lazy day. I think this afternoon we'll try to do some walks on the trail out back. Hopefully it's dry enough and not too muddy, but we'll try it anyway. I know, yeah. They both pounced on me when I tried doing that. I'm gonna try to do it one at a time, maybe when they're not both together, and see if I can get them going. Lazy puppies. Yeah. Oh, it was funny for me. They didn't hurt me or anything. You're a good boy. You're just laying around, huh? You hear the birds? Here he comes. What's up, Moose? Down you go. Lazy boy. What do you say, Raven? You say hi? Such a good girl.